Neal, and today we have a box. However, this box is different than the ones before because I have no idea what color, what bag is inside here. I know that's so weird. Who does that? I mean, who does that? So let me explain. Okay, so you go on the website, you buy this bag. So they're not guaranteeing that's perfect. It's practically perfect. Might have a blemish or here and there. So they're selling them at a discounted rate. So you have no idea what you're gonna get. So my first option was Dusty Rose, the new Dusty Rose color, because there are variations in the LaMere size, which is petite, grand, and we're right in the middle. Okay, so that was my first option. My second option, I was like, I don't care what you give me as long as the inside is not pink. Sounds reasonable enough, although that's vague and open to interpretation. No idea if they had anything before the pink interior that they currently use, but I wanted something different. But if you can't do that, I also want a Terra-Cotta, the LaMere size, so the middle size. So mostly they had browns and blacks, right? So they were going to be passing out a lot of brown and black. Since I didn't ask for brown and black, I don't know what I'm gonna get. Yay, are you so excited? Oh my god, let's get started. Okay. So the Practically Perfect doesn't come in a dust bag, so we know this is my Dusty Rose in the petite size. So I'll do a follow-up video on this one because I feel like we gotta see this. So this is the small. It's definitely not pink. Oh my gosh. Check it out. What? It's brown or chocolate. It's like a chocolatey brown. Oh my gosh. What is it? Oh, okay. So what? Oh my gosh. Check that out. What? It is not pink. Oh my gosh, check it out, check it out, check it out. Oh my gosh, I like totally scored. Okay, so this is brown. They didn't lie about having a lot of brown. So I didn't get the Dusty Rose, but I did get a bag that has some really cool interior lining. Oh my gosh, guys. What? Dude, it is so not pink. It is beige. This is like a washable or a wipeable material. The sewing is really awesome. So I know it's not the original design because the original design had a weird seam right here. I do have bags like that, so I'm appreciative that that's not there. This is like perfect. Oh my gosh. This is so perfect. This is so me. I am so in love. Look, it's not pink and the mesh matches. Like, I know I say I don't like mesh, but it matches. I don't care. It matches. It's the same color. This totally plays with my OCD in a perfect way. I don't know what kind of bag it is because look, it's different than anything I've seen. So I must have gotten some kind of test sample or old style. So this is so different than what I expected. So for Azaria, these are tassels, which implies this is the leather. Check that out. I think this is real leather. I don't even think this is vegan leather. I think this is real leather. What? This is so awesome. I got a leather bag. Do you know what? And there's oh my gosh, what? I'm so excited. Okay, so I think, and I'm gonna have to go on the size to check because this is a leather. Oh yeah, it smells so pretty. Oh my god, it smells so pretty. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, so I think it's real leather because it has these usually imply that it's one of the Luxe, and they use leather when it says so. The hang that's metal, that implies that it's the vegan leather. This, however, has, oh my gosh, it has a tassel there. So it does say Azaria right here, the bottom, and ooh, it has feet. So the straps are different on the LaMere Luxe than they would be on the vegan leather. The straps are the buckle, and then they have the leather on one side and then this mesh. It does have a back pocket. There's no snap here or anything, but it is lined. This is so awesome. Oh my gosh. And the hardware is like this shiny gold, so it's not that muted brass old English style. It's definitely shiny, so it definitely stands out. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is like a super awesome score. I mean, for free. For free! I got it for free! What? That's like amazing! So So it's practically perfect, meaning that they wouldn't sell it because maybe there's like a scuff over here or there. So you can kind of see some wear maybe on the leather. I don't know. This does feel really soft. I don't even know if it's the current leather they use. Maybe they were testing the color because this isn't a color I see on the website. So there's a little bit of wear there. I don't really see anything up. Nope, the corner. So it looks like the corners have most of the wear, and then I don't know what would cause that or if you need to oil this, but I think it's real leather. It has, I'm pretty positive this is real leather. Oh my gosh, it is so perfect. I am so excited. I am so excited. Yay, thank you, Azaria. This is awesome. I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. This is like the best of both worlds. I got leather on the outside. I have nice, neutral interior. Oh my gosh, I am so in love with this. So in love with this. Ah, it's so cool. It is the newer design. I do know that because it has the mesh pockets and it doesn't have that large standard pocket, but it does have these pockets, which I like these so much better. This is perfect. Okay, this is probably the most exciting unboxing ever. Like, I expected pink. I expected terracotta. I never expected, even though I asked, they totally gave me what I asked for. So thank you, that is so kind and so cool because I know you sold out. And to go through each individual order and like try to get somebody what they asked for is amazing. And you absolutely did. And I'm so excited. That was so nice. And I'm just so excited. Oh my God, so excited. Okay, sorry, excited, I'm excited. I love it. I love this. I am like, in love. Totally, absolutely in love. But I love it. It is super excited. Okay. Yay. Woo. Okay. Oh, I forgot. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited I didn't even look. What? Oh my gosh. And it comes with a crossbody strap. Look at it again. Oh my gosh.
Isn't it gorgeous? It is so beautiful. Right, so on the body, if this wasn't mine, I'd be like drooling over there. This is the on body. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy it's not.
Alright. What? Okay, now we gotta turn around because we really gotta see what the inside looks like. Okay, so you have my 3 bags. This one's petite, this one's LaMere, and then this one's grand. So I have the big and I have a kind of small, and I've been looking for the medium in between these two. This one is definitely the vegan leather. It's a gorgeous color, so I wouldn't have been sad if I had gotten one in the middle size. However, I am so in love with this. It's like, I don't know if this was waterproof or water resistant, but I don't care, I love it. Yay! Oh my gosh, this is amazing! I love it. Thank you, Azaria. This has been so much fun. I hope you enjoyed. The kids are next level crazy. And I changed my Instagram name, user thing, whatever it's called, to Jenna and Neal Bags because I only post about bags and sometimes yarn because I knitted this dinosaur that doesn't really look like a dinosaur. It's weird. So I thought I knew what a dinosaur looked like, and I'm looking at it. I don't know what kind of dinosaur it is. It's kind of weird. Whatever. I changed my Instagram username to Jenna Neal Bags because all I post is bags. I hope you join me. I've been looking for a COVID bag or a small bag. And if you watch my other video, I bought the world's biggest tote ever because it's just so big. I read somewhere that your tote or your bag should only be 12% of your body weight, which is actually a lot considering how much I weigh. But no, you probably really shouldn't pack it bigger than that. And well, I probably do because I love my bags, I love my weird. But that's weird. Okay, I don't even know where I was going with that. It's just weird. So I've been on this mission to find a small COVID purse bag thing that I can carry that'll hold all my stuff. Yay! Oh my gosh, anyways, okay, so there's that. Although I probably should stay away from the stores and the website. I went to the store to try to find a small bag and no joke, world's biggest tote, and so that was dumb. Like, what? Wait, that's like the total opposite. What is wrong with me? It was black. In my defense, it was a black bag. Whatever. Now I'm just rambling, but that's okay. I made a coffee and then I left my coffee. I don't know where it is. It's okay, because I love my crazy. Whatever. Okay, yes, okay. And so, oh my gosh, now I want a pack to match because one of my bags, because I love my bags, Probably need to purge them at some point. Whatever, nobody's counting. Maybe not. I still have space on my hooks. I'm good. So there's that. Ew, ew, ew. Anyways, okay. I'm not going anywhere. I don't even want to go to the post office. That's gross. Total rant. But I've been wanting this bag for like 9 years. Oh, my son was allergic to his diapers, and so then we had to convert to cloth diapers, and I needed a bag. I wanted this bag so bad. Finally, when I saved up enough money and I was so excited to buy the bag, they were sold out. Like literally, no joke, sold out. Sold out, like gone. Nope, it's gone. No more. Discontinued, out of sight, 9 years later. Just kidding. What? Oh my God, I love this person. They sold to me, and now I got the bag that I've been wanting for like 9 years. Weird, weird. Easy right now. Okay, anyways, that's so weird. That's such a weird. That's just weird. Nobody cares. Oh my God. But I feel better. This is the point. Sorry, or maybe if you come to my channel, you know that I rant a lot. Okay, that's what I do. This is my therapy session. No joke. I just want to rant all like crazy and have like people like, yeah, oh my God, I know what you're talking about. Even though you might not. That's okay. I feel better. Time with me, my therapy session, what? Maybe I can justify for people who pay for really expensive therapy sessions. I mean, they're paying like hundreds of dollars an hour. Totally bore out to death. I get to vent and have therapy and feel better. My day is so much brighter when I get to talk about my bag and hang out with you guys. So thank you so much for watching me crazy. It helps a lot. Woo! Hope it helps you. Now that that's out of the way, now that I feel better, oh, I totally need some coffee. Oh my God. But that's not the point. That makes for the best weird videos ever. This was so much fun. I was anxious and excited, and the anticipation of waiting. You have no idea what you're buying is so weird, to say the least. And I definitely scored something so beautiful. Yay! Thank you so much for watching my channel. I'm Jenna Neal, and this is a perfectly beautiful bag. But they call it a Practically Perfect AZARIA Bag. And apparently I got a Luxe sample or a Luxe test. Totally in love. Thank you, AZARIA. Thank you everyone for watching my channel. I hope you had fun. I had so much fun opening this. I had so much fun. So yay, thank you so much. I love your faces. Yay! Woohoo!